some Repair Master. Now this video is just going to be music, because I don't really know what to say in this video, and besides there's a whole heap of background noises right now where I am. Okay, that's the Wi-Fi done. Now I really like this game because I like all of the different parts. Oh, it's a PS5 up next, and I have no Wi-Fi at the moment, which is sad. Get rid of this one and then put in a new one. Get rid of this one and put in a new one. Okay. Sorry if you can hear background noises, like I said. Sorry if you can hear background noises, it's my sister in her chair. 1 second. I thought she was coming to me, but she wasn't. Skip my tips. No wallpaper at all. 100% fine with that, I guess. I hate it when you get bubbles in the screen protector. Oh, the 2 bits. Oh, now I know why it wasn't working. 2 bits inside of it. Only 2 bits inside of it were broken. No, what is this stuff? I think it's like rust. There we go. Finished. See? By that icon up, you can see that I have literally no Wi-Fi. Yes, I'm off the PS5. You're going to see what is inside of the PS5. Oh, okay. I'm supposed to melt that. There we go. Now we'll have some like techno music playing in the background. No thanks. Oh, and I just got my brand new glasses. I'll tell you where they're from, because copyright. I have so many of these things. What is it with these Now, I just came home from gymnastics. Now the PS5, what is wrong with the PS5? Ew, this rust again. Now I can see why the PS5 isn't working. Sorry if you can hear my mom in the background. She's talking to one of her friends on the phone, and the only place where she can get reception is like outside. But I'm not outside, I'm inside. Sorry if you can hear the fish tank as well. Just so many noises. Day 8 complete already. I might do one more day. Yeah, I'm gonna do one more day. Sorry about that. My storage space is running out. So sorry if the video cuts off at any time now. We better do this one quick. Remove the battery. Here we go. Start. Oh, there's one up. Oh, no, too much. No, too much. Too many ads. No, thank you. Okay, only 2 more to do. How do I do this? I've never been to anything car, so I don't know where they are supposed to go. Okay, this is like, oh, they're supposed to go here. Okay, I realize that. I have $1 million. Crazy.
Modern life is really good at keeping us awake. Sleep.
No. This video is not sponsored. Oh, I seem to have Wi-Fi now. Why did I agree to do this one? I didn't even mean to. Dirty rust. Gotta fix these wires. Why does it like zoom in on the fan? Sorry if you can hear the toilet flush. This is my sister. Okay, no thank you. Oh yeah, I got profit. Okay, this is the last one. Guys. Put in the drippy droppies. Oh, was that too much? Okay, there we go. Put down the lid. Yes, finally. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash this like button, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.